Hey everyone, welcome to new releases for today. These are new releases on the shop already, so make sure you go check the description if you want to purchase this kit. But this is the spring outfits kit, and here is a closer look at all the detail of the foil. This one is the silver foil, by the way, and it just gives it like a bit of shimmer here, especially on the clothes itself. So for these two boxes, I kind of made it so that the foil was kind of as if it was a part of the design itself. So yeah, that is the full boxes here. We have all of the functional icons and a weekend banner, the mini checklists, and then like a sidebar stickers, plus all of your scripts here. There is a separate sheet with all the scripts. You can just get those if you want. So yeah, but this one is the functional icon sheet. Then we have all the functional boxes with the foil accents as well. But these boxes here at the bottom match with the full boxes. And I always try to make these that you're still able to write on most of this. Those are the functional boxes here. And then we have all of your functional checklist, especially with like the little boots at the side. And then we have the functional deco with all of the foil accents as well. This one is pretty much standard, by the way, in all of the kits. If anything, some of these boxes sometimes change, like down here. But for the most part, this doesn't really change. And if you don't want it with foil, all of this foil stuff is actually just in white. And then lastly, we have the washi sheet with the date headers on the side. So this one is also kind of like a standard kit. So there's always like foil accents on these washi sheets here, and these match with like the full boxes. And then we have the date headers also with foil, and if you don't want the foil, again, these are in color. That is the 6-page deluxe kit now available in the shop, so make sure you go check that out, and I will link everything down in the description. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos, and that is it for today. Bye everyone.